what's like the ad pitch and ad platform these days, and like what's working, what's like crushing it?
Sure. So I tell you what's crushing it is content based advertising, thought leadership.
And does that mean like you're selling a package of custom content pieces on this firm, or it's a series of editorial that's brought to you by the sponsor? Like, what does that look like?
It can mean it can take a couple of different form factors. One form factor would be you're presenting a particular type of news over a really long period of time. Like say you wanted your brand to be affiliated with, I'm going to pick a topic, affordable housing in the United States, or in a particular geography. You might align with us to present news about that topic. You wouldn't yourself be taking an opinion about the news, but you would be positioning your brand in this very specific, body of news, so that over time people will come to us. So they know that when they're reading about affordable housing stuff or coming to get affordable housing information, your brand is there. There's that creates an affiliation. But the so that's one form factor, would be presenting, news, but not yourself taking an opinion on it. The other two are, we're writing content or creating content about, and on behalf of the advertiser. We have a studio of writers and editors that do that. And then the other one is we take your content and distribute it. And so, quite a bit of firms spend a lot of money in, law firms, for instance, just dedicate emails, but just like think about like a law firm or any kind of professional. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They put out white papers. They have topics that they have domain expertise on. They have a partner that puts out a blog post or is cited in some paper, and that's super valuable. Like, for them, for their business and their clients, that white paper, that blog post has inestimable value. But they're good at. But if you're an accounting firm or a consulting firm, professional service or law firm, your expertise is being a lawyer, not distributing content. You know what I mean? Like, and so we can then take that content that your firm or your partner or what have you, created, and we can distribute that. So some of it's creating original content for the advertiser. A lot of it is distributing content that the advertiser, that the company, that the advertiser created, and wants to get out there. But everything is about like everything's about teaching and positioning your brand as having expertise and credibility and authority in the topic that you're in our case, in the business topic that you're trying to align your brand with, and get new clients and get new business from.